In the realm of advanced manufacturing, 3D printing pattern plays a pivotal role, enabling innovation layer by layer. These patterns, celebrated for their diverse properties, include precision particles, exceptional flowability, and tailored compositions. And these characteristics form the bedrock of transformative manufacturing. The manufacturing process of 3D printing pattern demands precision and expertise. It involves meticulous grinding, blending, and sintering of materials to create patterns with the exact specifications required for additive manufacturing. These remarkable patterns find applications in a multitude of industries. They shape aerospace components, create intricate medical implants, and even construct high-performance automotive parts. In the world of 3D printing patterns, Stanford Advanced Materials stands out as a leading provider. They are dedicated to delivering high-quality patterns for advanced additive manufacturing. For more information, visit Stanford Advanced Materials at www.samaterials.com.